First day, trial of Alada soap. Okay bro, 3 minutes. Sige. So now, I'm gonna prove kung totoo ba talaga yung first application pa lang daw nakikita mo yung effect niya. Alright, sige. Rinse off na natin. Excited ka bro? Are you excited? Alright, let's do this. And this is it. Ito yung non-Alada farm. Ito yung may Alada. So, proven, mas nag-lighter siya. Alright, thank you everyone.